Look on this. You're going to tell me, say, America win. Look on this. Look on that. And look on this. And look on this. Help me make this make sense. I want to know how the man win the race then. I want to know how the man win the race. Look on it good. Let me erase it off back. Bam. Start over again. Look at this right here. And look at this right here. Help me make it make sense, because this does not make no sense at all. Like, none whatsoever. Like, none. Like, bro, like, it's because of America. That's why it's so messed up, brother. Because them always make it look like America is supposed to be the top and always the top. And it's like everything them do, when them wrong, it's like them right. Brother, the man lose the race, the brother, and it a piss me off, dog. Me even in the race. I'm a earth. Me literally I broke up. Like, what is? Me I try to understand what I go on right there, so brother. I know I'm not slow enough. Like, look what I go on, this and look what